Molweni guys, namkelekile nonke kwezi Survey Entertainment siku episode 5 season 9 of Uthando Nesithembu. One thing about ubabakhe xa ezozithandekisa to one of the wives, he always constantly has to bring down one of the wives. Funeke one of the wives ibe yi-topic so that ibe ngathi ufavorisha lo asuke ethetha naye at that present moment. So simbonile ubabakhe uye kwaMangwabe. Basically he wants uMangwabe to be the mediator sort of between yena noMakhumalo, because obviously for obvious reasons uMakhumalo noBabakhe guys abavisisani kakuhle, you get. And Utata Mseleko even went as far as sharing with uMangwabe ukuthi, do you know that mna noMakhumalo we once argued to such a point that while I'm talking to her on the phone she drops the call on me. Further went on, wahamba waya ngalena ke wayondiblocker. Obviously uMangwabe noMakhumalo guys, they get along quite well. So uMangwabe was trying by all means ukumbonisa into ba nawe kodwa babakhe you are 100% wrong for indlela owenza ngakhona izinto. So uyamxelela into ba I actually get where Makhumalo is coming from. If bendinonqaba izihlangu zakhe I would have also acted the way I act ngakhona. Nawe babakhe, to a certain extent I do understand you. This is when ke Utata Mseleko went to the diary session. Xa kuba uyabona ba ayihambi ngale ndlela he was hoping into ba ihambe ngayo le meeting. uMangwabe is someone that can reason. You understand? Uzothetha into evakalayo kuwe, into enengqondo, into ebhadlileyo, into evuthiweyo. Hayi ke wavele waye ku diary wathi kaloku ndiyamazi into ba uNombela noMakhe they're actually good friends, to such an extent that baye baxoxe indaba zabo bowu-two, even if they've got nothing to do with esisithembu, but bayaxoxa. Uthi ngelinye ilanga ngesihlalele kwaMangwabe, hayibo ifone uyichargile, ndithi xa ndisithi ntla hayi nansi message from uMakhumalo, uyandihleba uMakhumalo undihleba kuMangwabe. Ithini na imessage ithi he is a core narcissist. Yeah, understand? So because uMangwabe did not say into ezonambitheka kakuhle, then ke ngoku uyovusa enye into that happened a long time ago, into ba akahloniphi kahle uMakhumalo. Uthi all these years I've been assisting her, welcoming her, omacele guys benganifuni, ndiyenza everything in my power to welcome you apha kwaMseleko. But guess what, today xa kufuneke ndiwelcome uMakhwela undibiza ngabani ke usisine, undibiza nge-core, not just in narcissist, uthi ndiyi-core narcissist. Uthi undibone nini uMakhumalo ba mna ndiyi-core narcissist. Another part endingayi-understandanga, I hope in the next coming episode sizochazeleka. It has to do with Umpilo, right? Nizokhumbula ke last episode, I think it was episode 2 if I'm not mistaken, Utata Mseleko wahlala phansi noMpilo wathi she needs to step up and maybe have children so that indlu kaMakhumalo ingazufa, you get. So episode 5 ke Utata Mseleko uyamchazela ke uMangwabe into ba hey uPoisonous la Makhumalo, do you know that ndithe ndifuna uMpilo sishuta apha while filming, ndamfonela uMpilo ucingo lami uyangitshela ukuthi ngeke aze atholakale. uMpilo no longer wants to film with us. Uthi I don't understand that as a father, ukuthi how can she just make that decision out of the blue into ba she no longer wants to be a part of us, you understand? And uyamxelela ke uTata Mseleko uMangwabe into ba if uMpilo uzochuza iside likamamakhe ekuMakhumalo, then she needs not expect anything azoyenzelwa ngutata Mseleko. Uthi mna ndizomphuma from head to toe, ayikho enye into ayophinde athi ufuna ukuyicela kum because kaloku yena uchoose iside. Uthi ndithetha noMakhumalo ke ngalento kaMpilo into ba uMpilo ingathi seyichoose icala lakho, wamkhumbuza uMakhumalo ba kaloku uzokhumbula into ba wamyala ku-21st birthday into ba makathini, into ba she needs to always support me in whatever I'm doing. These are your words. She is following amazwi akho, ya understand? Then uTata Mseleko wathi ngiye ngabonga ke lapha ukuthi angikhumbuze. So amazwi akhe now, the very same bed that he made, he cannot lay in the same bed, okay? So because once again uMangwabe was trying to show him into yoba just because uxabana newife umntana makangangeni, just because uMpilo has chosen uMakhumalo, it doesn't mean into yoba i-welcoming ceremony mangenziwa. In fact, the only reason as to why mna ndizomediator ndingumangwabe is because ndifuna yenziwe i-welcoming ceremony kaMpilo. Apart from that, wena tatomseleko urongo ngoba ufake umntwana ude uthi ayikho into ebekumele uyayi-expecta from wena as utatakhe. So because uyawabona bana lapho uma ungabe ngathi uyambetha ngesikolo, guess what? He then introduces indaba ye-DNA. Usoloke nje efuna ukumpenta as umuntu ombi uMakhumalo, introducer indaba ye-DNA ke sana. So basically utatomseleko uyachaza into ba, do you know that uMakhumalo once wanted i-DNA kaBaby Matt ekungumntana kaMakhwela? And then mna as utatomseleko I rejected it. Why did I reject it? Because obviously asiboni ngasolinye, we argue a lot, we're no longer on the same page. Ngamtshela ukuthi ama-DNA results ngeke awathole, but umuntu owatholayo ama-DNA results uyena uMacele, because obviously we are on the same page. So isuselaphi indaba ye-DNA ukuthi abafazi bakatatomseleko bafune i-DNA? I'm just going to read this comment that was made by a viewer, and then the wives automatically decided into maybe we should be taking a DNA for uBaby. So lo muntu wakomente kwinto eyabhale into kwakhala nyonini kwagogo Flow. Then they responded by saying kwakhala inkonjane, uvumele inkomo eza nenkonyane, inkomo esuthi amasi awomlaza. Yo guys, this Zulu is so deep, okay? Uthi kwabhidana egcekeni lika Flow. Konakele nje inkomo or inkomo esesibayeni ihlaba ezingaphakathi manje. Akayokwenza i-DNA njengoba washo. So uyayichaza ke uMangwabe into ba, basically this means that uMakhwela, the person was trying to say that uMakhwela is already pregnant. She joined isithembu sikatatomseleko, or met utatomseleko esevele esekhulelwe. Then this raised a suspicion amongst the wives to say that inoba ukhulelwe umntu wapi wangaphandle. Now you guys will remember sometime last year, the time ke kwakudutyulwana eMzumbe, there was a rumor into ba lo mntu wadutyulwa, the alleged person owadutyulwa nguMpumelelo was actually an ex-boyfriend kaSamke that allegedly paid ilobola for uSamke. Now you will take that allegation and then put it next to the comment ya lo mntu, and then you will come with the conclusion as to why the wives might have decided to actually follow the comment. I don't think abafazi bakatatomseleko they sit and read comments on social media and then make a decision. I think perhaps the rumor that the person owangena at the time eMzumbe and was pew-pewed by uMpumelelo was allegedly an ex-boyfriend. I think mhlambe isusela lapho then kwaba khona nale comment. I highly doubt ukuthi they would just take a comment on social media and act upon it. You understand? So isusele apho ke indaba ye-DNA. Luckily guys, the tests came back positive. Nathi niyambona ke uBaby Matt into ba ufana no baby Sneh. Why am I calling Usne baby? Baby Matt looks like Usne Mseleko. So yeah guys, maske sivaleni apha. What did you think of episode 5 of Uthando Nesithembu? Please do let me know down on the comments, and it is on Bona shortly. Bye guys.